Hi everyone, Al the Psych here. I have a video for you today. I'm going to do this in two parts, I think. It's called Important Sleep Information, and I've taken the information from a book called Why We Sleep. That's by Matthew Walker, 2017. Got some information from the National Institutes of Health from 2018, an article entitled Sleep Deprivation Increases Alzheimer's Protein. Got some other sources and my take, of course. Okay, so let's do this. So this was news to me from Why We Sleep. Melatonin helps regulate the timing of when sleep occurs by systematically signaling darkness throughout the organism. But melatonin has little influence on the generation of sleep itself. Okay, that's a mistaken assumption that many people hold, myself included. So melatonin is not a powerful sleeping aid in and of itself. Um, from the Sleep Foundation, got this information. Adenosine promotes the sleep drive or a person's need for sleep. Okay, who knew? Now, um, non-REM sleep helps save memories. Um, and with regard to REM sleep really kind of helps the emotional circuits of the brain, basically. So, being cool headed and maintaining emotional quotient EQ depends on getting sufficient REM sleep night after night. Now, non REM sleep helps transfer and make safe, newly learned information into long term storage sites of the brain. Okay? Now, in terms of older adults, so it's a myth that older adults need less sleep. Older adults appear to need just as much sleep as they did in midlife, but often are just simply less able to generate that still necessary sleep. Now, sometimes older adults are assumed to have dementia when in fact the observed behaviors like memory impairment is actually due to sleep deprivation. Okay, interesting. Got this from Sleep Deprivation Increases Alzheimer's Protein, that article. So, in a small study, losing just one night of sleep led to an increase in beta amyloid, and that's the protein in the brain that's associated with impaired brain function and Alzheimer's disease. The results suggest that sleep deprivation may increase the risk for beta amyloid buildup. Okay, sleep deprivation can lead to what's called microsleeps. Okay, small periods of falling asleep, and there can be some significant consequences to that. So if you think about, if you're driving and all of a sudden you have a little micro sleep, you nod off for, just for a bit, could be quite serious. Now, in an Australian experiment, people who were awake for 19 hours were as cognitively impaired as those who were legally drunk. Okay. The nosedive in cognitive function started after just 15 hours. Okay, so you think about that. Okay, well, we're typically up for 15 hours or more a day. Now, humans need more than 7 hours of sleep every night to maintain cognitive performance. And vehicle accidents caused by drowsy driving exceed those caused by alcohol and drugs combined. I did not know that. Okay, that's interesting information here. One more point before I end this. If you find yourself falling asleep while driving and you have to continue, at least pull over for a 20-minute nap. You wait a few minutes, maybe have some coffee and then drive, but this will only help for a short time. It's not a complete fix. Okay. So, okay, that's part one. I'm going to end that right there. Thanks.